welcome to this 360 video again. This is the presidential suite room of the Marina Bay PARKROYAL collections.
Okay, if you are new to our 360 series, right, all you need to do is just pan your screen by swiping to
Or
the left or right.
you just like move around your mobile phone. But if you are watching on the smart TV, I'm sorry that you can't really have a good angle. So this is the living room of the presidential suite. Very spacious, and they have the largest day bed right over here. Yeah. And inside the living room, they also have one treadmill over there, so for you can do the exercise. It's very impressive, very spacious, and lots of natural light. And then that is the study table, right?
Yeah, the working desk. And over here,
let me show you.
We have all the controls for the curtains and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, what is that? Is that the guest toilet?
That's the guest toilet.
Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, wow, it's huge.
Yeah, it's quite a sizable space.
Yeah. Okay, and then let's go to the dining area. It's huge.
Yes. It currently has got 8 seats, but I believe you can actually increase the seat by another 2, so make it 10. And then there are also couches at the side, so it's very nice. And then right here is where you have a Steinway and Sons piano.
And a lot of power plug.
Yeah.
And I quite like the design here. It's very modern. And one thing, let us show you the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah. So Sean, I need you to open the door.
Over here is the
mini bar.
And this is the kitchen space.
So that you can bring your kitchen staff, or you can invite any party, and then you can ask them to prepare the food for the guests.
And the kitchen staff or the whatever hotel staff won't have to go through the main door. They just have to come through the service door over here. A very nice fridge over here as well. And then it's actually just a fully functional kitchen. Right?
Okay, let's go to the bedroom. For this presidential suite, I like the most is the bedroom because it really have a very nice balcony, and the shower area is amazing.
Yeah.
So we have to go through right over there. You just follow the line, the walkway, and then that is a connecting room from another room.
Yeah.
And let me show you the bedroom first. Ta-da! So here's the bed.
Yeah,
King size, and the pillow look very fluffy, very short. Yep. And from that side, I'll let you pan around first. So over here you can see, let me show you the balcony. It's a spacious balcony that you can have a seat for 4 right over there. I'm not sure you can see that, maybe the light a little bit too bright. I will do a balcony tour, and then we will show you the walk-in wardrobe. Spacious over here.
Very huge space. Comfortable enough for you to change your clothes inside.
And the safe is over there.
Yeah, a lot of storage drawers as well.
Yeah. Okay, now let's go to my favorite part, which is the shower room.
Okay.
It's huge. Okay, watch your step. Ta-da! And it's huge, a very deep bathtub.
It has got one of the deepest bathtub in the hotel.
Yeah. In Singapore.
Not in the hotel.
In the hotel.
Yeah.
Okay, here. The place for you to do the big business. It's huge. This space is wow. You can invite people here to watch you poo-poo. Or I think if you have a baby and you can do, it's quite good that you can watch your baby do the big business.
So consistent to the hotel's theme to bring the outside to the inside, right? Even the standing shower area is as such. It feels like you are showering in the open in a way. So this is the concept that they are trying to deliver.
And I quite like this kind of jet that can spray in front of you from the top to the bottom.
Yeah, so fun fact, this room has been totally overhauled. It used to be another hotel previously, and now Marina Bay Park Collection has taken over the property. So
PARKROYAL Marina Bay Collections. I think the name is a little bit long though. Yeah. So the last we are going to show you the balcony. Let's follow us to this side. Hey, then we can see the view of from the presidential suite. Ta-da! Oh,
Wow, it's a very nice.
so you can see some of the hotel right over there, the Suntec, the stadium.
The sister hotel at Pacific. And then JW Marriott is over there. And this is Suntec City.
You can see the Raffles Hotel over there as well. Conrad, yeah. It's very fresh. The air right over here is very good. Now with that, we hope you like this video, the tour of the presidential suite, and then maybe one day, if you want to book for a party, you can contact the hotel to make the booking for this room.